Welcome to our channel. In this video where we provide you with valuable travel tips and insights. Today, we will be discussing the world of family vacations. Planning a family vacation can be both exciting and intimidating. It can be hard to know where to start, so we've put together a guide to help you out. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know to plan a successful family vacation, from budgeting to finding the perfect destination. So let's get started. When planning a family vacation, it's important to set a budget. This will help you determine what kind of vacation you can afford, and what you need to save for. To start, figure out how much you can spend on the vacation and how much you'll need to save up. Once you've set a budget, you can start to look for destinations and activities that fit into it. Choosing a destination is one of the most important aspects of planning a family vacation. Think about what kinds of activities your family enjoys, how much time you have, and what kind of budget you're working with. Then, start researching destinations that fit those criteria. You can look online or talk to a travel agent to find the perfect spot for your family vacation. Once you've chosen a destination, it's time to start booking accommodations. There are lots of options, from hotels and resorts to vacation rentals and campsites. Consider what kind of experience you want to have and what amenities your family needs. Then, start looking for the right accommodations for your family. Now that you've chosen a destination and booked accommodations, it's time to make an itinerary. This will help you make sure you don't miss out on anything during your vacation. Start by researching the area and making a list of things to do. Then, create a daily schedule that fits all the activities you want to do into the amount of time you have. Finally, it's important to make sure you and your family stay safe during your vacation. Research the destination and find out what safety precautions you should take. Make sure you have all the necessary documents and insurance. Also, research local laws and customs and make sure you're following them. Planning a family vacation can be a lot of work, but it's worth it. With a little bit of research and preparation, you can have a successful and enjoyable vacation. Remember to budget, choose a destination, book accommodations, make an itinerary, and stay safe. With these tips, you'll be ready to go on the family vacation of your dreams. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and insights.